Jeffy's drawers.
Ew, sounds pretty dirty.
It's not as dry.
Not bad. Not bad.
I'm just gonna stand there and let you do it. I'm not gonna.
The big surprise is that this is actually for Jesse.
Alright, we got 2 minutes. Let's do it right now.
Okay, here we go.
I'm going out.
Get over here. I'm just gonna do it. I'm not gonna.
Okay, here we go.
Alright.
1, 2, 3. It happened just as fast. Did it hurt? Here, let's see your eyes. Is it working?
Was it worth it?
Can't believe it won.
You got it on your mouth?
That was easy.
Now we get to watch it over.
I know.
Now can we go watch it, please? Put it on YouTube.
Turn on that garden hose.
Yeah, you don't want to do that. Yeah, go in there